Hello, it's me again, Glitch Hunter 09. I'm here to tell you that I've worked on my hack a little, and now I can access some Saffron City. However, it's imperfect. But I found a way around this, of course. That involves flying to Saffron City. Now, as soon as I provide the download, which I'm going to start using PAT files, so now you can go into the gym without having to worry much. And as you can see, I'm walking around the gym. The warps work. I'm just walking around for no point. I haven't gotten to the gym yet. And I don't know why, I just felt like talking to this guy a whole bunch of times for no reason at all. Alright, come on. That's the weird part right there. If you just saw that, look where I am. I don't recommend going out that door. It's not ready yet. Now I'm gonna fly to Viridian City. There we go. Since I don't have the magnet train card yet, I can't do that. I'm working on replacing the warps now, but the people in the town outdoors of the Saffron City will be gone. Unfortunately. But it has to be done because the people were corrupted somehow. Whenever I changed the Safari Zone. There, I found that out because I recently downloaded Goldmap 1.6, version 1.6 to be exact. And it's actually pretty good. It tells you what errors, if there are any, are with the map. So now the game doesn't crash in Saffron thanks to me. Now I'm just gonna go and walk back to Johto, which is lame. I could have gone on my bike. I don't know why I did. Anyways, I'm still trying to decide if I want to add any more beta maps. I probably will, I just don't know how I'm going to do it without disrupting any warps. I have all three versions of Goldmap. Goldmap 1.4, 1.5, and 1.6. 1.6 is missing most of the beta maps except for the Safari Zone. 1.5 has more beta maps. Most of the beta maps have been seen in Cam.net forums, and apparently they don't run properly on the 1.5 engine, so the graphics will be screwed up. For example, the towers are really weird looking. Don't look anything like they should look like. Probably due to a bug in the engine. And I have no idea why I flew to Goldenrod City. I'm recording this after I recorded the video. This voice log. So here I am fixing my mistake I made. Now I'm going to fly to Olivine to show you what else I've added. Surprise, surprise, this house wasn't here before. Everyone knows what this is, especially if they've been to cerebi.com. Or .net, rather. The forums, anyways.